Let's now have a look at how much this might cost you inside your business. My co-founder Lorene published earlier this year a fantastic article breaking down the relative costs of how much it might cost to use Google Workspace and some of the tools that are common in that stack versus Microsoft 365. What you will find is that they broadly cost you just the basic tools that you use. So this is email, some of your document tools, basic collaboration tools that might include something like Notion. On the Microsoft side, that would include SharePoint and OneDrive. But broadly, you are paying per user per month in your organization between £25 and £40 per head. That's without AI. Now, if you add AI onto that, that cost rises quite significantly. It goes up to about £50 to £65 per month. So it's an increase roughly around £16 to £25, depending on the tool that you're using, per user per month. So it's almost double, maybe not quite double, but it's a fairly significant increase on what you'll be paying. So you absolutely should be thinking about what the impact of buying this is for your organization. But let's put that into context. If you're working in a 50-person business, then making one of these leading AI tools available to every team member that you have would cost you about £15,000 per year. That's not a number to be sniffed at. But if you believe, having looked at this, that it can improve some of your productivity and effectiveness from your team members, your annual salary bill absolutely at the bottom of the window that we might estimate this at. So using average salaries across the UK for 50 people without on costs, it's about £1.75 million. So if you think that it's going to save you some time, that is the number that you need to properly compare it with, about how much extra productivity and efficiency am I going to get from team members. But obviously remember, it doesn't replace anyone. It is a tool to make them more productive.